Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download TinyTask on mobile. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you might be wondering if it's actually possible for us to install or download TinyTask on our mobile. So let's go ahead and define what TinyTask is. Now, in this case, according to this website, TinyTask is a minimalist PC automation app that you can use to record and repeat actions. Now, this is especially helpful for games or any other tools out there that you could basically do repeated actions. Now, the thing with it is that currently, it can only be used on PCs because as of right now, it is only available on PC. So if you're using your mobile, then unfortunately, you will not be able to do this. But if you want to use it, then I would suggest you switch over to your PC. So that's basically how you can download TinyTask on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.